hydrogen water or hydrogen-rich water simply means normal water, H2O, that contains dissolved hydrogen gas, H2. For example, there are carbonated waters or beverages, soda pop, which contain dissolved carbon dioxide gas, CO2, or oxygen water, which contains dissolved oxygen gas, O2. Similarly, you can have water that contains dissolved hydrogen gas. Benefits of drinking hydrogen-rich water: deceleration of aging process, reduce inflammation, protection of organs, tissues, and DNA from oxidative damage, boost athletic performance, cut recovery times in half, increase body hydration 6 times more than ordinary water, increased stress resistance, boost of energy. Washing rice with hydrogen water removes residual pesticide and oxidized components, being neutralized. As hydrogen has small particles and a strong penetrating force, it helps cooking glutinous and tasty rice. Hydrogen water removes residual pesticides on the surface of fruits and vegetables. It helps fruits and vegetables be tasty itself in original flavor. As using hydrogen when cooking helps enhancing solubility and penetration power of seasoning, it helps maintain original flavors of materials. Using hydrogen water when cooking make the food soft and smell good. Washing face with hydrogen water can help you make skin healthy and toned. As hydrogen water has small molecules, it penetrates deep into the skin and provides moisture effectively. Remove grease on face effectively, keep the skin fresh, and reduces clogged pores and acne. Washing your hair with hydrogen water helps for prevention of hair loss, as it removes active oxygen of scalp and supply moisture. It also helps you maintain your hair healthy and glossy. As hydrogen water is excellent in removing active oxygen and toxins in the body, it's a great help for a diet. One study tested a mineral water with reductive characteristics, most likely due to dissolved molecular hydrogen, and a prepared water containing molecular hydrogen. The results revealed that bathing in both of these waters decreased the oxidation reduction potential, ORP, of human skin. This is an important observation because healthy skin has reductive characteristics, and the ORP of the skin increases by oxidative damage from sun exposure and also by aging. Bathing in hydrogen water not only reduced the ORP of skin, but also improved its elasticity. Moreover, treating bleached hair with this water gave an improvement in fluency and gloss. Inhaling hydrogen is the most effective way to intake hydrogen inside the body. Our tabletop hydrogen inhalation machine is a high-purity hydrogen device made for generating hydrogen gas on site through electrolysis. By electrolyzing distilled water, a concentration of 99% of pure hydrogen is generated, and concentrations of 90 to 100 cc occur in 1 minute. It performs an automatic pressure adjustment inside the hydrogen generator, so only pure hydrogen is safely administered. Unnecessary oxygen is then forced out of the apparatus, making this a very safe and secure system.